5 Cheap Books to Master Data Science. Data science is a booming field, but breaking into it can be challenging. There are several inexpensive books to help you understand and master data science. The first book, Data Science, from the MIT Press Essential Knowledge series, gives a comprehensive overview of the data science industry. It covers the history, applications, tools, ethical concerns, and career growth in data science. Python Data Analysis focuses on programming skills in Python, a must-have for modern data scientists. It provides an in-depth understanding of core Python libraries, data handling, and advanced data analysis techniques. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Naked Statistics, stripping the dread from the data makes statistical theory more digestible. It presents real-world applications of statistical concepts, highlighting the importance of statistics in data science. The Hitchhiker's Guide to Machine Learning Algorithms is a great reference for understanding machine learning algorithms, from classification and regression techniques to reinforcement learning. Lastly, Data Insights Delivered emphasizes the importance of delivering value from data and effective communication of technical results. It offers 7 steps to improve communication with stakeholders. These 5 affordable books can significantly aid in mastering data science. If you like this stuff, subscribe for more.